What's up, Jamaica, and all my people around the world? Welcome to Chat Jamaican, the channel that brings the good vibes straight from our island to your screen. Today, we're stepping into the world of dancehall music, a genre filled with energy, passion, and tons of lyrics to make your head spin. We're not chatting about history today, no way. We're focusing on the top 5 dancehall artists in Jamaica right now in 2024. These artists are running the place, setting trends, and making Jamaica proud. From the streets of Kingston to the global stage, these artists represent dancehall in a big way. We're going to dive deep into their journeys, their music, and the impact they have on our culture. Get ready for some serious good vibes. Make sure you stick around until the very end because we have a special surprise for you. But shh, it's a secret for now. First up, we have to start with the man they call the world boss, Vybz Kartel. Love him or hate him, you can't deny his impact on dancehall music. Since the early 2000s, Cartel has been a powerful force pushing boundaries. His lyrics are raw, sometimes controversial, but always thought-provoking. Cartel addresses social issues reflecting Jamaican life, but he also makes you dance with hits like Fever and Summertime. Romping Shop, just a few of his countless hits. His influence reaches far beyond Jamaica, inspiring artists worldwide. Even in jail, Cartel's music rules the streets. His voice, style, and lyrics are timeless, proof of the power of the world boss. Like him or not, Vybz Kartel's influence on dancehall is undeniable. He's a true icon, trendsetter, and legend. Big up to Addy. Next up, we have a young artist making big waves in the industry. Get ready to meet the Predator. Skeng, this young artist, burst onto the scene like a whirlwind, and he's not slowing down for anyone. With his gritty lyrics, hard-hitting beats, and undeniable stage presence, Skeng is a force to be reckoned with. His breakout hit Protocol, featuring Tommy Lee Sparta, took the dancehall world by storm. It was like an anthem played everywhere, from the streets of Kingston to the clubs in London. Skeng's unique flow and delivery, combined with his raw talent, quickly made him a fan favorite. He's not afraid to experiment with his sound, mixing elements of trap and hip-hop into his dancehall roots. This versatility has earned him recognition both locally and internationally, working with artists like Nicki Minaj. Skeng's rise to fame shows the power of hard work, dedication, and raw talent. He represents a new generation of dancehall artists who are pushing the boundaries of the genre and taking it to new heights. Keep your ears open for this artist, because Skeng is here to stay, and he's just getting started. Now, let's talk about the ladies, because dancehall wouldn't be the same without the powerful women who dominate the scene. She's who the world was waiting for. Shania, the Shania queen herself, is a force of nature. She's bold, she's beautiful, and she's got a voice that can melt glaciers. From the moment she stepped onto the scene, Shania commanded attention. Her music is a mix of dancehall, pop, and R&B, creating a sound that's both catchy and empowering. Her lyrics are often raw, honest, and relatable, speaking to the experiences of women all over the world. Shania's rise to stardom has been incredibly fast. She's worked with some of the biggest names in music, including Kanye West, Drake, and Tyga. From performing on international stages to appearing on magazine covers, Shania is a global icon. Her hits like Lick with Megan Thee Stallion and Blessed with Tyga have become anthems for strong, independent women. Shania is a true role model, showing young girls that they can achieve anything they set their minds to. She's not just an artist, she's a movement. Shania is a shining example of dancehall's global impact and the power of female artists in the music industry. But hold on, we're not done with the leading ladies of dancehall just yet. We've got another queen to talk about. Don't talk to me about dancehall if you're not mentioning Spice. She's the queen of dancehall and her crown is secure. For over 2 decades, Spice has been a dominant force in the genre, captivating audiences with her electrifying performances, bold lyrics, and undeniable stage presence. Her impact on dancehall is undeniable. She's a trendsetter, a rule breaker, and a true icon. Spice's music is a mix of dancehall, reggae, and hip-hop, creating a sound that's both catchy and empowering. From Romping Shop with Vybz Kartel to So Me Like It, to her recent collaborations with Sean Paul and Stefflon Don, Spice's music continues to dominate the airwaves and dance floors worldwide. But Spice is more than just an artist. She's a businesswoman, an actress, and a reality TV star. She's built an empire, proving that she's a force to be reckoned with in every aspect of her life. Spice's long career in the industry is proof of her hard work, dedication, and undeniable talent. She's an inspiration to aspiring artists worldwide, proving that with passion, perseverance, and a whole lot of spice, anything is possible. Now, let's move on to our final artist, a man who needs no introduction. Alkaline, the name itself brings to mind mystery, intrigue, and undeniable talent. He emerged as a breath of fresh air, challenging the status quo with his distinctive style and rebellious spirit. Alkaline's music is bold, unapologetic, and always pushing boundaries. His sound is a fusion of dancehall, hip-hop, and trap, captivating audiences worldwide. From the moment he burst onto the scene, Alkaline was met with both praise and controversy. His tattooed appearance and dark lyrics challenged the traditional image of a dancehall artist, but Alkaline remained true to himself, never shying away from expressing his individuality. His music often touches on social issues, politics, and the realities of life in Jamaica. He's not afraid to speak his mind, making him a voice for those who can't speak up. Alkaline's impact on dancehall is undeniable. He's inspired a new generation of artists to embrace their individuality and use their platform to speak out on issues that matter. Love him or hate him, you can't deny his talent and impact on the genre. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 dancehall artists in Jamaica right now. Each one unique, each one talented, and each one shaping the future of dancehall music. So, there you have it, my friends. That's all for now. Big up to all the artists we talked about today, and much respect to the entire dancehall community for keeping the good vibes alive. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more content from Chat Jamaican, and leave a comment below letting me know who your favorite dancehall artist is right now. We want to hear from you. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and keep the dancehall spirit burning bright. Bless.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of